So good afternoon. I welcome you all for next uh, lecture series. In this series, we are going to discuss about the subject generation, transmission, and distribution. So under this subject, we are going to discuss the unit one. So unit one, the first topic will be introduction, and the second topic structure of power system. So let's see the introduction of the uh, generation, transmission, distribution. So normally we know that there are power generation methods available in two types. One is renewable and non-renewable. So under renewable sources, which includes solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass. And for the non-renewable sources, primarily we are consider fossil fuels and nuclear energy. And so types of energy for under the non-renewable energies are solar. So we all know that is sunlight directly converted into that electrical energy, which is considered as the solar power or PV power, the power system, that is photovoltaic system. So like that for the wind power, it is kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. And for a hydropower plant, potential energy is converted into electrical energy. And this is the power system that is from the power plant to the consumer, which is consequently it considered as a network. So from the power plant, it converted into it step up into step up and through the transmission lines wherever we need a step down or step up. So according to that, we have to made it and supply the power to the consumers. So that we call as the end users. So here, see the diagram, and the power system network, which consists of now only I said it is generation, transmission, and distributions. These are the main areas which consisted in the power system. So power system, which includes the devices that is to connect the network, we need a synchronous generator, motor, transformer, circuit breakers, and conductor, and etc. So normally the power system consists of 6 components in the power plant. They are transformer, transmission line, substations, distribution line, and distribution transformer. So the power plant generates the power which step up or step down through the transformer for transmission line. That we are already I mentioned in the power system diagram. That is I showed the diagram. So the transmission line transforms the power to the various substations. So wherever we need a step down or step up, that is appropriate value which is suitable to the consumer, which is step down or step up, and it is transferred to the users. So this is the structure of power system. So which is consisting of generation station up to the consumers, and distributors and the secondary distributions. So and these diagram can normally be considered as the structure of power system. So for normally the generation stations consisting of 11 kV, 33 kV, 6.6 kV. So all the powers we are generating from the generating stations, and then it is transferred to the uh, that is which is step up to 11 kV to 220 kV, and then it is a transfer that is transferred to the transmission line, and again it is step down, which is 220 kV to 33 kV, and this is considered as the primary transmission line. And after that, it is the secondary transmission line, that is secondary transmission line again is step down to 6.6 kV, and then it is primary distribution to the distribution substations, and distribution substations having the 6.6 kV, 400 kV, and 230 volt kV, and based on the distributors or secondary distributor or service mains are to the consumers, the voltage will be transferred that is a 6.6 kV, 400 kV, and 230 volt. 230 volt. So normally we are the end users, we are the consumers, we are using 230 volt. So based on the three phase, we are using 600 volts. So for the industry people, they are using kV voltages. So they are using 6.6 kV at the 33 kV. So like that we are distributed from the generation to the end users. So this is we called as the structure of power system. So let's see in the next lecture in detail about this power system structures. Thank you.